guys, want to talk to you really quick about doorknobs, and I want to go ahead and compare this bathroom knob to this closet knob and kind of show you the difference between the two. Now, just upon looking at them, they look identical, and they basically are, except for one difference, and that is that this bathroom knob will actually lock. So this is our closet, and our closet is super dirty, so don't judge, but you can see that as soon as I go ahead and I open it, there is not a button here for you to be able to push to lock this. So it's basically just a closet knob. As compared to this bathroom knob, you will see in the front that it kind of has this little bit of a hole in the very, very front. And then on the back side, it actually has a button for you to be able to lock. This is going to be for a bathroom and also for a bedroom. So I've already gone ahead and I've locked it, as you can see there. And then they provide you with this little key that if you lose the key, you can go ahead and easily go ahead and find something else that will fit into this little hole in the front. And when you push it into the hole, what's going to happen is that it's going to open this and unlock the doors. So perfect for little kiddos that accidentally go ahead and push this button, or, you know, let's say someone's in the bathroom and they're taking a shower and they fall and they've locked the door. Well, this allows you to be, this little key allows you to be able to go ahead and get in there. So that's the difference between the two. Hopefully this video has helped you, and thanks for watching, guys. Y'all have a great day.